10 of chapter 1. On one occasion, Sultan Alauddin paid a visit to Baha Veled. In lieu of his hand, the latter offered the tip of his staff to be kissed by the Sultan, who thought within himself, the proud scholar. Baha read the Sultan's thoughts as a seer and remarked, reply thereto, mendicant students are bound to be humble and lowly. Not so a Sultan of the faith, who has attained the utmost circumference of the orbit thereof, and revolves therein. And one of the things, kissing the staff could represent approval of his power, right? But in different spheres, you're on different levels. And some people are, they're not on their own yet. But even when they're on their own, they're part of the order. There's a law to be followed, hence an orbit.